Hello, I'm Sonali from Choose and Move. As you know, relocation is very difficult. So, we have a solution. We can make it very simple and stress free for you. Our team has lots of experience. We take care of everything packing, moving, and even storage. You don't need to worry about that. Whether it's local or international, we make sure your items are safely delivered and delivered on time. At Choose and Move, we are not just a moving services, we are your partners for a smooth and easy relocation. Choose and Move is a perfect solution for you. So, for more information, kindly contact us today.